How PMP helps small businesses manage projects. PMP is a globally recognized certification offered by the Project Management Institute, PMI. It gives project managers the skills to lead and execute projects in any industry. The certification is based on the PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. Streamline project planning. Effective planning is the cornerstone of any successful project. For small businesses, PMP offers a way to define project goals, scope, and deliverables. Tools like work breakdown structures, WBS, and Gantt charts help businesses. Better resource management. Small businesses have limited resources, so they must optimize their use. PMP methods focus on resource allocation and prioritization. They help businesses assign the right tasks to the right people. Enhanced risk management. Every project has risks. Small businesses are especially vulnerable to them. PMP equips project managers with tools to identify, assess, and mitigate risks proactively. SWOT analysis and risk registers help small businesses. Real-life applications of PMP in small businesses. Case Study 1, Streamlining Product Launches. A small tech startup used PMP methodologies to launch a new software product. The team defined project goals, timelines, and deliverables. This ensured a smooth development and marketing process. Case Study 2, Improving Client Project Delivery. A boutique marketing agency adopted PMP principles to manage client campaigns. The agency improved its on-time delivery rate by 40%. It did this by creating detailed project plans and setting clear milestones. Limited time and resources. Small teams often juggle multiple responsibilities. Solution: begin with the most relevant PMP practices. Focus on risk management and communication planning. Then, expand gradually. Resistance to change. Employees may be hesitant to adopt new processes. Solution: highlight the benefits of PMP practices. Train to ease the transition. Conclusion. In conclusion, PMP certification and its principles are not just for large corporations. Small businesses can greatly benefit from using PMP methods. They can improve their project planning, execution, and delivery. PMP helps small businesses reach their goals.